Hello everyone, I am AJMAL KHAN. I am from Pudukkottai. I have completed Master of Computer Application at AJMAL College, Trishapalli with 78%. After completing degree, I started courses in JSPIDERS Velachery. I started Java Full Stack Developer courses in JSPIDER. First of all, I started Java and SQL. Java is teached by Pawan sir and Scoom sir. Both of teaching is very well. After SQL was teaching by Prajwal sir. His teaching also very well. He is friendly in students. After I will join in aptitude and advanced Java. Aptitude was taught by Ramar sir. He is always positive thinking to the student, and he is motivated the person. And advanced Java also taught by Chikan sir. He also always motivated the person. His class was very positive and his class was very positive and easy to learn new things about the technology, more benefit. Apart from, I will speak about the one of the important person, that is Vani ma'am. She is more guided to me. She is more supported to me, and then these staffs are teaching very well. So I will got the prize in Wipro with the package of 3.6 LPA. That's all. Thank you.